In this video, we'll guide you through how can you post more than 10 photo on Instagram app. To post more than 10 photo on your Instagram app, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, you want to make sure to check for an update. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box, what you want to do is type in Instagram. And here, you want to make sure to go ahead and check whether you have a little update icon or not. After which it is completely updated, click the open button and log into your account. Now here I'm going to quickly go ahead and switch to a different account or a different profile, and this is how it's going to look like. Here what next you want to do is you want to click on the profile from bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you could actually go ahead and tap on the create button from the right or bottom of the page, or from the top right hand side corner of your page. Then what you want to do is click on post. As you've done it, so then you could go ahead and select multiple photos that you want to post it. So now once I've actually selected a particular one or just a simple one, now I'm going to do is click on select multiple, and then I'm going to go ahead and randomly select a multiple photo just like this, and make sure it's more than 10 as well. Make sure it's 10. So here you go. Let's see, this is it. So now next thing you want to do is click on the next button once you've done selecting it. So as soon as you've done it, so then you could go ahead and click on the share button. You could add captions and click the share button, and with that being said, you'll have successfully posted more than 10 photo on Instagram app. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.